A Spanish sex product company is creating the Library of Orgasm Sounds. I'm not making this up. Check this article out. Yes, they're making the Library of Orgasm Sounds. The idea is to make a database of real orgasm sounds available so that people can feel comfortable with whatever sound they make at that moment. Sir, what are you doing?
You want to make a donation to the Orgasm Sound Library?
Who are you?
I'm the sound guy for the National Orgasm Library of Spain.
Oh, I was just mentioning that in the monologue here. How'd you get here so fast?
I'm really fast.
Okay, all right.
Come on. Have an orgasm.
No, I'm not. No. No.
Do it.
No.
It's for science. Come on, donate to the library. Donate to the library. Okay.
All right.
Just make an orgasm.
All right, fine.
Shh. Here we go. Excellent. That was good.
It's pretty much what it is with me, yeah.
You want to do another one for me?
No, I do not want to do another one. That's it. All right, give him a hand, everybody. He's out of here. Sorry about that, folks. Anyway, as I was saying, it's pretty interesting. Oh my.
Okay. It's your turn, sweetheart.
Oh, God.
Well, sure, I'd be honored.
Okay, and 3, 2, go.
Valhalla!
Nice.
Wait a minute.
Nice gasm.
Valhalla?
Yeah.
It's absurd. All right, well, I think that guy got what he needed, so I think we're okay now. We can
Okay,
move
how
on.
about you? Would you care to donate to the Orgasm Library?
For sure.
Okay, please. Wait, you man. Yes. No. Come on, somebody give it the gusto.
Okay, sir, what you're doing is incredibly inappropriate. This is a live studio audience.
This is my livelihood. It's for science.
All right, well, listen, I think that doesn't seem like science to me. You just seem like a pervert with a boom mic, all right? Do you even know the name of the laboratory you're working for?
Sure. The Institute for Making People Make noises for me to listen to later.
Yeah, I think we're going to move the show along, if you don't mind. Okay. We have a great show tonight. Stars of the new Netflix movie, The Do-Over. Adam Sandler, David Spade joining us tonight.
Both of you at once, please.
Wow. Creator and star of the Comedy Central series Another Period, comedian Natasha Leggero is here. Oh my God! Oh, for God's sake!
I got what I need.
He got what he needed. Give him a hand, everybody.